Hi, my name is Monica, and this is my learning reflection on the HR manual. As we were asked to develop a resource manual for an organisation facing real-world HR issues, my group felt as though we needed to choose the organisation that would provide the most research. Therefore, we agreed on completing our manual on the Department of Transport and Main Roads. By focusing on a government organisation, one would assume the research provided would be more credible. We all agreed to assign each member a HR discipline to analyse, mine being TMR's reward system. After having researched TMR's reward system and learning about their current extrinsic rewards, I recommended they implement a total reward strategy, inclusive of both intrinsic and extrinsic rewards. In terms of my fellow team members, my group was culturally diverse and were able to share a mix of opinions. We also collaborated well together. As we progressed through the HR manual, it was evident that we were right in selecting the government organisation, as there was a substantial amount of research provided to analyse, although we did struggle to find controversial and negative research. Moving on, one aspect of the assignment I would have recommended my group do differently would be to firstly complete extensive and thorough research on TMR in order to then complete a flowchart, instead of jumping straight into creating a flowchart with minimal knowledge of the organisation's policies, procedures, and background information. Reflecting on my experience of working in a HR project, firstly, I have learnt that it is important to communicate effectively, contribute equally, prioritise appropriately, and allow for flexibility and always respect one another. Secondly, I have learnt that it is difficult to find negative research on a government organisation. Thirdly, I have realised that I am able to effectively mediate awkward situations and tension between members. Furthermore, I find myself encouraging others, maintaining good relationships, making an effort to get to know people, and finding humour whilst also being aware of others' feelings. Having now completed this project, moving forward, I would like to improve my creative thinking and work on productive ways to conceptualise. I would also like to improve my ability to recognise others for their contribution and opinions. My short-term goal consists of establishing a role in learning and development with the company I currently work for. In order to achieve this, I will need to find a mentor, co-facilitate trainings, and have the passion to inspire with infectious energy. My long-term goal consists of establishing relationships within other functions of human resources and moving on to a different HR department, possibly recruitment and selection. To get there, I will need to positively influence people, attend various workshops, effectively build my networking skills, and ultimately get to know the business.